But if this conflict between civilizations develops, it will, I think, be the latest phase in the evolution of conflict in the modern world. And in some respects, perhaps also a return to pre-modern patterns. For a century and a half, after the emergence of the modern international system with the Peace of Westphalia, the conflicts of the Western world were largely among princes, as emperors, absolute monarchs, and constitutional monarchs attempted to expand their bureaucracies, their armies, their economic strength, and most importantly, the territory they ruled. In the process, they created nation-states, and beginning with the French Revolution, the principal lines of conflict were between nations rather than princes. This 19th century pattern lasted until the end of World War I. At this point, as a result of the Russian Revolution and the reaction against it, the conflict of nations yielded to the conflict of ideologies. First between fascism and Nazism on one side and liberal democracy, and then in the second half of the century between Marxist-Leninism and liberal democracy. During the Cold War, this latter conflict became embodied in the struggle between the two superpowers, neither of which was a nation-state in the classical European sense, and each of which defined itself in terms of its ideology.